We need to get marshmallows.
Why do we need to get marshmallows?
Because that's for fire.
For the fire?
That's for fire.
Oh, how old are you, Caitlin?
And I see.
You're 19.
One.
3.
Here, just this finger.
3.
That's 3. Put that one up too. Put those 2 down. There you go. How old are you?
I'm 6.
You're 6. That's what she told the lady at the gas station. Come here. What's your name?
My name's Iceman.
Who's that?
That's my daddy.
Huh? Who's that?
That's my daddy.
I'm not your daddy.
You anyway.
Put your dress down.
See that?
Let me see you. Come here.
Put it down.
Caitlin.
Mama's gonna spank your butt.
Caitlin. Say bye, camera.
Bye, camera.